that ass back like a boom 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 boom.
Good morning, Kapamates! Sa today's video po, maglalaro tayo ng off-roading since may bakanting lote kasi dito na tinambakan ng Scombo Rock. So, since tinambakan siya, hindi pantay-pantay yung area. May semi-high ground at rough road area talaga. So, ito try natin yung kape natin using Fortune tire. Si kaya ba? Tara! You know? Yun. Ayos.
A few moments later.
Okay, Kapamates, as you can see, ito yung dinaanan ni Kape, no? Ito yung marka ng Fortune tires. So, Scombro Rock yung tinambak dito. So, hindi pantay yung area. So, yun na portion is medyo high ground yun dun, banda. So, lower ground yung dito. So, yung portion na yan is minalutan na ng damo. So, puro Scombro yan. So, yan po. So, sa lahat, thank you so much and ride safe, Kapamates.